In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Play balance. If you've ever redeemed a gift card, received a refund, or been given promo credit, all of that lives in your Google Play balance. Knowing where to find it helps you plan purchases for apps, games, movies, books, and in-app items without any surprises at checkout. We're going to do this right on your Android device using the Google Play Store app. First, open the Google Play Store. This is the same app you use to browse and download apps on Android. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the latest account information loads correctly. Once the Play Store is open, look to the very top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It might be your photo or the first letter of your name. Tap that profile icon to open your account menu. This is your hub for settings and anything related to your Google Play account. From the account menu, tap Payments and Subscriptions. This is where Google groups everything related to how you pay on the Play Store, including your saved cards, subscriptions, and your Play balance. Next, tap Payment Methods. This screen shows all available ways to pay, and at the very top, you'll see Google Play Balance. Your current balance will be displayed right there automatically, usually in your local currency. You don't need to open anything else or go deeper into settings. The number you see at the top is your available credit. If the balance shows as zero, that simply means there isn't any active credit on the account right now. Keep in mind, your Play balance is specific to the Google account you're currently using. If you use more than one Google account on your device, make sure you're checking the same account where you redeemed your gift card or received a refund. The balance updates immediately when credit is added, and it's applied automatically at checkout for eligible purchases. That's all there is to it. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods, and look for Google Play Balance at the top. A simple way to remember this path is Play Store, Profile, Payments and Subscriptions, Payment Methods. Your balance appears right there without any extra steps. Now you can quickly confirm how much credit you have before you make a purchase, so you can use your gift cards and promo credit exactly when you need them.